Today I'm going to show you how you can make this decorative bridal hair comb. This video is for you if you're looking to make hair accessories for yourself or to sell. You're going to learn how to make branches with pearl and crystal beads and how to attach decorations to a hair comb base. Here's all the materials needed to make this headpiece. I wanted this hair comb to have a woodland feel to it, with classic bridal colors. To achieve that, we're adding some foliage to the hair comb by decorating it with silver branches and a leaf charm. Also, you're going to make some pearl and crystal branches that will represent berries growing in the forest. Now let's make the first out of 4 branches needed for this design. Cut 50 centimeters of wire. Twist one of the ends around your finger. This will prevent any beads from falling off whilst you're making the branch. Follow the order of beads I'm showing on screen. This first branch is made with 8 round pearl beads, 4 and 6 millimeter in size. Measure about 15 centimeters from one end of the wire and bend it there. Slide your first 4 millimeter pearl where you just bent it. Turn the bead around, forming about 1 centimeter of twisted wire. Slide the next bead down the wire and place it near the branch, leaving about half a centimeter space to twist the wire to encase the bead. From now on, twist the wires for half a centimeter distance before each offshoot. Position the next bead on the opposite side of the branch from the previous one. Keep alternating the sides until you've used all the beads you added. Here's how the first branch looks like. You'll need 2 of each branch. The second one is made with a mixture of crystal and pearl beads. Cut another 50 centimeter piece of wire. Thread the beads I'm showing on screen on it. You need 2 sizes of beads, 4 and 6 millimeter. Measure 15 centimeters and place the first small bead there. The measurements for the branches are the same as in the first one you made. Continue creating offshoots until you've used all the beads. Here's the second branch with mixed beads. Make 2 of these. The third branch is slightly smaller and it's made with 6 beads instead of 8. You'll need a 45 cm piece of wire. Add 3 6mm pearls and 3 4mm pearl beads on it. Form the branch just like you did the first 2 branches. And there's your third one ready. Just like before, you'll need 2 of these. Now you can move on to making the last branch. Cut 45 centimeters of wire and thread 6 beads on it. Add a mixture of pearls and crystals in 2 different sizes. Create a branch with the beads, using the same technique as the ones before it. Here's the final little branch for the comb. Make 2 of them. And there's all the beaded branches you're going to need for your hair comb. 4 different branch designs, and each of them has 2 of them. Now let's start attaching the decorations to a hair comb. I'm using this metal hair comb base with 15 teeth. Take one of the longer pearl branches and position it to the left side of the comb. Separate the wires and wrap them around the spine of the comb in opposite directions from each other. Snip off any excess wire with your side cutters and press the end down with the chain nose pliers. Now take the other pearl branch and position it on the other side. Wrap each wire tightly between the comb's teeth to secure it in place. Keep adding the longer mixed bead branches to the hair comb. Use the wire ends of the second branch to attach one of your silver branches to the left side of the comb. Put one of the wires through the hole on the charm and make sure it's positioned where you want it on the hair comb. Secure it in place by wrapping the wire around it and the hair comb base several times. Continue by adding the rest of the smaller branches on the hair comb, as I'm showing on screen. Now it's time to add a silver leaf and branch to the comb. You'll need 80 centimeters of wire for this. Measure 30 centimeters from one end of the wire and bend it there to mark it. Put it through the hole on the leaf charm and slide it where you just bent it. Add the branch on the wire. Align the holes on the charms on top of each other and put the wire through them both a couple of times. Position them on the hair comb, making sure the leaf charm is covering the hole on the previous metal charm. Start wrapping the wire along the stem of the leaf. The charm has 2 loops on the stem. Make sure you put the wire through them and then around the spine of the comb base several times to properly secure it in place. Snip off any excess wire. Use the longer piece of wire to secure the silver branch in place by wrapping it around the base of it and around the hair comb multiple times until you feel confident it's not going to move around a lot. Now for a final woodland touch. We're going to add a cluster of pearls and crystals to cover up the loops on the final charms you added. You can add as many beads or as few as you'd like. Put a bead on the wire, then position it close to the base put some space to encase the bead by twisting the wires beneath it. I added a mixture of sizes and types of beads. The sizes I used varied from 4mm to 8mm. I think they look a bit like clusters of berries when you add them like this. And here's the finished bridal hair comb. I love how it turned out. If you're looking for more hair accessory tutorials, I've got a lot of them on my channel. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.